Hello, fellow engineers. This is Srinivasan, who is having more than 30 years experience in the construction industries, trying to present a small video on how to design a septic tank within 5 minutes. Can I design a septic tank in 5 minutes? Am I joking? No, not at all. You can do it. How is it possible? By understanding the concept and following the simple steps you can design. Septic tank design is having various process and a critical and time-taking process. Through these presentations, you will learn how to design a septic tank within 5 minutes. Refer the shown image, which clearly indicates how the septic tank looks like and the operating procedures. For calculation of the septic tank, the following things are mandatory. You have to understand the number of users who is going to use a septic tank. Let us assume a building consists of 4 floors. Each floor is having 2 flats. In every flat 5 persons. So the number of users will be 4 into 2 into 5 is equal to 40. So let us design a septic tank for a 40 users. Septic tank, you must know the liquid volume in the septic tank. How do you calculate the liquid volume? Normal detention period in a septic tank requires 0.085 cubic meter of a space for waste liquid each day per person. For daily cleaning, let us add 25% the actual volume more. Hence, the total volume of liquid will be 0.085 into 40, that is 3.4 cubic meter. Adding a cleaning of 25%, the volume becomes 4.25 meter. As we know, the volume is 4.25 cubic meter. Now you have to design the dimensions. How to design it? We know already there is a 4.25 cubic meter of the liquid volume. So let us assume 1 to 2 meter of a depth, considering the ground consideration. As we know, volume is equal to length into breadth into depth. We can assume the liquid depth, the length and breadth is needed. This can be done by calculating the surface area dividing the liquid depth, which means 4.25 divided by 1.2 will be a 3. As we know the area, we have to derive length and breadth. The length and breadth can be done adopting the formulas. The length of the septic tank shall be twice of the breadth. That means length is equal to 2b. So the area will be length into breadth, or 3.54 is equal to length into breadth, or 3.54 is equal to 2b into b, or 2b square is equal to 3.54. Root of 3.54 square meter shall be 1.33 meter, say 1.4 meter. Hence length will be 2b is equal to 2 into 140, 2.8 meter. For a more accurate detail, calculate in the following fashion. Length and breadth is 3.54 meter. Length into 1.4 is equal to 3.54. So length is equal to 3.54 divided by 1.4 equal to 2.53, say 2.6 meter. Already we know the depth as 1.2 meter. Now we have to consider a freeboard wherein the vent can be inserted to emulate the gases, for which we have to add additional depth of 300 mm. So the depth becomes 1.2 plus 0.3 becomes 1.5 meter. Therefore, the internal dimension shall be as follows. Length is equal to 2.6 meter, breadth is equal to 1.4 meter, height is equal to 1.5 meter. Now prepare a neat drawing based on these dimensions. For your references, I am enclosing some of the sketches which will enable you to create a drawing. Thank you for watching the presentation, for your feedback. Thanking you once again. Thank you.